What's up guys, slightly different video today because I've been sent a new mobile phone from Xiaomi. They basically want me to test out the camera, do a little review on it. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to take it out on a shoot with me and test out the camera. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know I love sharing my iPhone photos from the iPhone I have at the moment. I'm always sharing them on my story, and I know how important it is to have a good phone camera as a content creator because you can just capture stuff as you go when you don't have your camera on you. So yeah, this is the packaging that it comes in. Looks pretty nice, so let's unbox it real quickly and see what the phone looks like. Box. There's the phone. What do we have in here? The little SIM card adapter, a headphone jack, and the USB-C that goes in the bottom. And it actually comes with a clear silicone case as well, which is pretty cool. And here is a phone. So it actually looks really similar to a iPhone X. So yeah, phone looks really nice. It's actually super light as well. We have the charger and the cable, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so let's try and get some cinematics of this phone right now. But just a little bit of information about Xiaomi. Xiaomi is a consumer tech company who have won lots of awards across the world, and their phones are like relatively cheap compared to the other competing phones out there, like the iPhone and Samsung. This phone is actually only £500, which is less than half of what I paid for my iPhone. Considering the spec on the phone, that's a pretty crazy price, to be honest. This phone has a dual SIM, 6.21 inch AMOLED full screen display, and a really cool transparent titanium design. Like, you can actually see into the back of the phone. You can see the battery and circuit board and stuff, which is super cool. So this phone has the thumbprint unlock on the screen. Like, there's no button, it's just the screen. Here we are at the location, so we're just about to get the phone out and test out the landscape and like portrait modes. Cara, she's going to be the model today. We'll probably get some shots just on the edge here, and then we might go all the way up that hill in the background to get some more shots, but this is pretty much like the best angle right now. So this phone has a 12 megapixel dual AI camera and a 20 megapixel front camera. It's got 7 studio lighting modes, which helps you easily shoot portraits. And it's also got the bokeh feature to give you that nice depth and field look. The AI camera on this can distinguish between 206 common scenes and then automatically adjust like exposure, saturation, and other optimizations to give you the perfect shot. So I'm just taking a photo of the sunset in the background, and it's super bright, but the phone in HDR mode is doing a really good job of keeping the highlights exposed correctly, and it's actually giving it a really nice image. Sun's going down, it's getting cold. That's pretty much the end of the shoot today. Overall, I'm super impressed with the phone on this camera. The depth of field effect looks much more exaggerated than like the iPhone I currently have, and I actually kind of like it. It really brings out the subject in the photo. I was actually super impressed with the auto adjustments on the exposure and saturation to match the scene that I was shooting. The phone always just seemed to get a really good image of what I was shooting at the time. But yeah, overall, the camera on this phone works really well. If you're into photography and stuff, definitely check it out. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's something different. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.